Microsoft Windows comes with its own sound effects, and it gives you the power to change it if you want to. So to change it, I'm going to go over here onto the speaker icon. I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to click on Open Sound Settings. Once I go over there on the top right hand side, you have the sound control panel. So let me just click on that over here. And then from the sound control panel, you can go to the sound tab. So over here, you can see that there's the sound options like asterisks and everything else. If you were to click on this and test it out, you'll hear the sound. If you want to change out the sound effect, you can go over here and choose other sound effects as well. So you can see over here that there's a lot of sound effects which are associated with different functions. So let me just go on close program right over here. So right now, when I close the program, nothing happens, as you can see. But if I were to go over here on to the sound settings for close to program, let's choose something else. So let's choose something like, let's say, ring out. Let's test this out. Okay, so ring out, that's going to be what is going to be applied over here in close program. So you can see that it's yellow right now. Once I apply, it's white, meaning it has been applied. So if I were to close this, you'll be able to hear that sound. Okay, so what you can also do is you can apply custom sounds to it. So the only thing is they have to be in wave format. So I'm going to go to close program right here. I'm going to go to browse and I'm going to go to desktop right over here, and here's close.wave right here. This is an external sound effect. So I'm just going to open that out, and once I press it, let's test it. Test that out right here. Okay, so I'm going to press apply, and every time now I close the program, I'll hear that sound. Right, as you can see right here, if I were to close this out, so you can see that the close sound effect actually takes place. So that is how you can apply custom sounds inside of Microsoft Windows 10. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.